The Japan Mobility Show 2025 becomes the stage for the latest milestone in the long-standing collaboration between Mini and British designer Paul Smith. It will be unveiled as part of the BMW Group Keynote on the 29th of October 2025 at 9:55 JST at the BMW Group stand, based in the West Exhibition Hall of the show. Mini and Paul Smith, a creative success story, the Mini Paul Smith edition is a new chapter in the success story of the two British brands. The long-lasting relationship began in 1998, when the designer wrapped a classic Mini Cooper in his trademark visual design. To mark the 40th anniversary of the classic Mini in 1999, the designer lent his characteristic Paul Smith signature stripe to a one-off model. After two further one-offs, the Mini Strip in 2021 and the Mini Recharged by Paul Smith in 2022, Paul Smith's design language returns to Mini. Mini Model Portfolio. As part of the BMW Group stand at the Japan Mobility Show, Mini is presenting the diverse range of its current product portfolio. The Mini Cooper family is represented by showcasing the Mini Cooper SE, which combines heritage, technology, and driving pleasure, whilst providing a fully electric go-kart feeling via the 218 GP electric powertrain. Also present will be the Mini Cooper 5-Door S, which combines compact dimensions and agility while showcasing increased practicality when compared to its 3-door siblings. A Mini Cooper convertible will also be on show, which presents open-air driving in the spirit of its always open philosophy. Agile, spontaneous and full of driving pleasure. Launched earlier this year, the Mini John Cooper Works Aceman outlines its sporty, all-electric, usable performance from the John Cooper Works sub-brand. The latest model in the Mini family presents itself as a versatile companion and not only demonstrates Mini's typical clever use of space, but also brings a powerful driving experience to the road as a performance-enhanced version thanks to 258 GP, produced from the 54.2 kWh electric battery. Finally, the Mini Countryman S All-4 will also be present on the BMW Group stand at the Japan Mobility Show. As the largest of the Mini family, the car offers generous space and fits in perfectly for those looking for longer adventures and spontaneous exploring. Japan Mobility Show. The Japan Mobility Show is regarded as one of the most important international platforms for pioneering mobility concepts. From October 29th to November 9th, over 130 exhibitors will be presenting their innovations to visitors and press at the Tokyo Big Sight Exhibition Center, making the Japanese capital the center for visions of tomorrow's mobility. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice and reviews.